Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla and Wolverine as one character. Let's jump into it right now. Okay, so let's go over the mixture of Godzilla and Wolverine, alrighty? We're going to jump into it right now. So, first thing I do here is I'm going to think of like the Wolverine style mask, curve up at an angle. Pulling out right here for the snout of Godzilla, pulling out over here, and pulling back. And I'm gonna curl over here for the other side of Wolverine. Those, peaks of Wolverine's. I don't know how you call it, like cowl, I guess. Curve line over here for one eye. Curve over here on this side, and then curve over here for the other eye on that far side. Right on. So far, so good. Line over here, or on the side. Curve over here. Upward, down. Down over here on the side. Back. Over here. Up. And there you go. You have kind of the mask area of Wolverine and Godzilla. By the way, we're just doing this kind of like, you want to get like in the ballpark, but it doesn't mean you have to be like dead on, right? It doesn't have to be, we're not like robots or anything like that. You just want to be close enough to kind of get the idea across. Pulling down over here, back over here, up, down, 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 down. Curve underneath here, back. One over here, up. Over here, up. And then we're going to go over here, the flat part of his head. So his head is really, his forehead's really low, right? Where Wolverine's is not. So it would look totally different like that. Nose over here, dot over here for the nose on that side for the nostrils. Maybe a little line across here. Let's go over here to Godzilla's neck. It's going to pull outward, right? It gets bigger outward as it goes down. Line underneath. It looks pretty goofy. Out over here, down. Out over here, down. Curve over here, down. Line over here. Curve. Over here, curve. And, we're kind of just doing Godzilla's general body right now at this point. And we're going to go over here. We're going to draw a curve over here for kind of that kind of plate that Wolverine has on the side of one arm. Then we're going to curve over here for the other side. Alrighty. Pulling down. Still looks like a big rat before we add his spikes, because that's going to be like a big thing. Downward over here for the front, maybe curve over here. And then we're going to have the line over here for kind of the design element that Wolverine has on his side over there. And then maybe we can draw a line over here around the armpits, just kind of showing the kind of like the body's going downward. So let's do the important thing right here. We're going to go to the back. Small spike, small spike. And I'm going to change the shape of his spikes a bit. They're going to curve a lot more to kind of reflect the... I'm sorry, I forgot there's a color change over here, huh? They're going to curve a lot more to kind of look like the blades, how do you say it? The outfit design right there, So it's going to be up right here. I want it to all look like that. Kind of like blade-like, as opposed to, they always look mountain-y before. It looked like mountains. Line over here. Line over here. Let me draw a line over here on here, around the wrist area. Kind of give that area some breath over here. A line for the belt, and then his hands are gonna go off in a vignette. All right. We can, if you want, we can kind of fill this in. Actually, let's do that. Let's fill in the mask area. All right, there we go. Maybe a little dark right here on the bottom just to show the shadow. And same thing over here along the armpits. We want to do that as well because along the armpit area is just kind of like some darks, right? Because there's not a lot of light reaching in. And we just keep it going down. But we're gonna kind of end it there. I think like at that point it's pretty good. Yeah, just like a general mix. And if you want, you could throw like some curves right here for Godzilla's the texture of like the scales, because that's pretty much what it is right there, right? These scale textures. And then if you want, you can do it in the face too, a little bit. Kind of looks like stubble, which is funny. But all right, well, you stick around, and we're gonna do another drawing lesson together right now. Okay, so stay right here, and let's get started on another one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.